Hello guys, welcome to the vlog. Today, I'm gonna prank some people. We're gonna pretend like we're sneezing with a turkey call. So this is how we're gonna do it. We're gonna go up to someone, I have this in my mouth. I'm gonna go like, let's do this. She's like, that sounded really bad. Oh my god, that was funny. Hey guys, that was really funny. I got some reaction, some people didn't even notice it, but yeah. I'll see you next time. Thank you.